have a lot stored for you in this video, so we're just going to begin with this book. um Actually, I'm going to do a little tutorial showing how to create a design of this book. So this video is a little bit different. Apart from showing the niche, I'm going to show you how to create this book. So it's a simple book and everyone can create it. I'm also going to show you a tool that can ease it out, make it easy for you to create this book. So let's get right into dissecting this niche. So the BSR for this book is 1015, and I already did a calculation. So the sales per month is about 2000 and sales per day is 1000, and the royalties for this book is, the price is $6.99, so the royalties is $2.04. So if you do some calculation, $2.04 times sales per month 2000, let me bring that down, times 2175. That means the sales per month will be about $4,000 per month, and per day that will be 2.004. Yeah, 2.04 times sales per day is 145. 2.04 times 145, sales per day is 295 sales per day. So 295 sales per day, about 4,000 sales per month. That's not too shabby for a book, very simple book like this one. So guys, if you want to learn more about this niche, keep watching till the end. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, it's a very easy book to make that has been creating about $4,000 per month for one person, one author. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a book and where you can get into from, everything that has to do with creating the book. So if it's something you're interested in, keep watching till the end. Let's go. So guys, this niche is a Valentine's Day gift, Valentine's Day journal. It's a funny journal, that's why it's selling this much. And it basically says, I love you, all my boobs. I would say hard, but my boobs are bigger. So I'm sure you must have seen this design doing quite well too on the print on demand platform. So what this person did was just convert the design, the print on demand design, to a book design. So that is very easy to make, and I'm going to show you in a bit. But that is what we should be doing if you're doing print on demand. Don't let those designs go to waste. Those your hard-earned designs. Well, some of them are easy to make, but those designs are good. All you need to do is just convert them to KDP design. So it's a tool that I use for that, and I'm going to show you in a bit. But let's do some more research on this niche. Let's take a look inside. I always like to look inside and know what kind of interior they're using. So like I said before, it's a journal, guys. 100 pages journal, very empty. There's nothing inside, and it's priced $6.99. Let me show you down here that it is 100 pages. It says it's 100 pages, and look at this. Look at how low the BSR is. And in the beginning of the video, I already did some calculations for you. That means this book is making $4,000 per month, guys, for a design that you created for your print on demand platform, and you just convert it to a KDP design, empty journal book. You just slap it there and you upload it. And the fun is, you don't even have to upload it yourself. This tool is going to do everything for you. It's going to do all the dirty job. So without further ado, let's get right into designing this or recreating this design, and I'll show you how I upload it using this tool. So we're on my Merch Informer designer platform here. Actually, this is the dashboard of Merch Informer. By the way, all the links to all the tools I'm going to talk about in this video in the description below. So if you're interested in, check it out. There are always some discounts code attached to it. You'll see the discounts code in the brackets, so just make use of it and you're going to get discounts. So for Merch Informer, the discount code is make money online, all lowercase letters. You'll see it there in brackets. You can use it, you get a 10% discount. I think it's 20%, yeah, 20% discount, sorry about that. And this is my dashboard. But the designer, if you want to go to the designer, click on your name here and you click on designer. You're going to log in. I've already logged in, and here's my dashboard. And now I'm creating a designer dashboard. Now I'm creating a print on demand design, so which looks similar like this. It says I love you with all my boobs. I will say heart when my boobs are bigger. So just come here. By the way, I'm using the Edmond texture font. I just downloaded it from Google. There are a lot of free Google fonts online. Just type the name of the font and you download it. So when we go to text, you scroll down. With this tool, you can upload any font that you want, as opposed to Canva. That's the reason why some of the reasons why I don't like using Canva. Except you're using the paid version, then you can upload a font. But with Merch Informer, you can upload any font you want. So I downloaded this font from Google, the Egmont texture font. I like it because it has those grunge, is it grunge text? Let me open it. Let me open, yeah, you see that? So that's what I like about this font. So let me reduce that back. So um we're making our own design unique. That's why I like using this font. It has a grunge text that people like looking at. So I love you with all my boobs. Let's type in that. So let's position that. And by the way, there's a bra silhouette here. So I went ahead to Vexels 2, also link in the description below. You get a 35% discount there. So I saw this bra silhouette, so I just typed bra and they show me a bunch of bras. I just took the first one and I already downloaded it, as you can see here. And I'm gonna upload it on here. So you see the bra silhouette here. So it is in black, but I'm gonna change it to white. The fill option is white. So reduce that a little bit. So there you go, guys. In a matter of seconds, I already have my design ready to go. So if I were doing this for a print on demand design, there is another reason why I like using Merch Informer is because the designs are in transparent background, because you don't want to upload a design that has maybe a black background or so. So when I do a download like this, uh, drag and drop it, then I open it. You'll see that it has that grunge text which I'm looking for, and it also has a transparent background. So you see this gray stuff behind, it means it's transparent. So once my design is ready, this design is for print on demand, and I've uploaded it to print on demand. I also have a flying upload tool that I use for that. But for this video, I'm going to use the flying upload KDP. Is a KDP version of the flying upload tool. You can also start using it for free, but you have only 10 designs that you can upload for free. Then you can go into the paid version, and you can also use my code too, Vanessa10, for a 10% discount. So once this design is ready, here's the KDP tool already open. This is how it looks like, and I'm gonna edit it. Drag that design that I just created right here, and you see it creates a book for it, and it shows that the design is for 500 if it's 400 pixels. If you want to change the background color, you can go to the color and choose whatever color you want. Maybe it's purple you want, but I like go with black. We're gonna choose black, and we're just gonna fill all of this. Then we're gonna upload, and the manuscript is what I actually want to show you right here. And we're gonna create the manuscript. We're gonna click on features. You see features right here, right? Click on features, and actually settings. Click on settings. So go to options, then click on settings, and we're gonna create a manuscript. So here's where you drop your manuscript on your interior, and we're gonna download that from Bookbolt. Bookbolt is another tool that I like using. Here you can download any interior you want. This is free for everyone to use. I'm going to choose bleed. Choose the size that you want, maybe 8.5 by 11. Then the page count, 100 pages. And we can choose, I think this is the interior that chose this one right here. I think it's a journal interior. So if you remember, all of this will be open for you. I'm not logged in, that's why it shows like this. But if you remember, you'll see that everything, all the interiors are free for me to use. So if I want this interior right here, you click on it. If you want a music sheet, you click on it. So I'm gonna go with this one, 100 pages, bleed, 8.5 by 11, download. So within seconds, I already have my interior ready for me to use. I'll just click here, download. And the next thing I'm gonna do I just click on my desktop and it's on my desktop right now. So I'll go back to my tool and I'm going to drag and drop that. I'm going to drag and drop that interior. So when I drag and drop it, it's going to tell me that it's an 8.5 by 11 100 page bleed PDF and everything is okay. So I'm going to save that. Now I come back here, my manuscript, click on it, where I have to refresh the page. So I'm going to of the cover that it has created. So click on here on example, it's going to show you how your cover looks like. So you click on example, it's going to generate, this is it. This is your cover, guys. In the right dimensions, you don't need to calculate everything. This tool is going to calculate it for you. This is your design here on the front cover. Then you have your back page, which is empty, it's just black. And you have your design on the front cover. So my guess is that this person here is doing the exact same thing, because if you take a look at the book is the front, you have a design on the front page and the back design is empty. It's just a code that is there, but the front design is it has a design on the front. So my guess is that this person is doing the exact same thing, because our design too, as you can see, our design is on the front and the black part is empty, as I showed you before. So guys, I think that this person is using the exact same tool, and if you're interested in it, guys, like I said before, the link is in the description below and you can also get a discount with it, 10% discount, code Vanessa 10. So there's my cover and my manuscript. This is how it looks like. And the next one you need to do is just put in the title, subtitle, description, keywords. So I will start with the title. The title is basically gonna be what this is. I love you, all my boobs. I would say heart, but my boobs are bigger. And your subtitle will be anything like journal. You can take inspiration from the design. It says Valentine's Day gifts for him. I love you, all my, Um, so you say Valentine's Day journal, gifts for him. Oh, I already have journal there. So Valentine's Day journal, gifts for him. Funny gifts for him, actually, is funny. Funny gifts for him. So what I like to do is come here with keywords. Keywords that I'll get, I'll also put it here in the subtitle. So keywords, I'll say Valentine's Day. Let's take a look at that. So I had click on keywords and it's gonna say heart, funny, yeah, funny couple, humor, it is cool for a lover. This is one of the reasons why I also like using Flyer Upload KDP. It helps me look for keyword that I write for my design. In a matter of seconds, I'm already putting a bunch of keywords, and is what it's gonna do is gonna fit in all the keywords in those slots, those 7 slots. That's what it's gonna do. And for boyfriend, of course, Valentine's Day women. No, it's not for women. It's actually for the men. And happy Valentine's Day, February 14th. Um, 20 quotes. So I'll just go ahead and choose a bunch of designs, Valentine's quotes, funny day Cupid. No, guys, Cupid is trademark, so you have to also take care of these designs. Uh, Actually, the keywords, they're not vetted for trademark. They're just pulling in results from what people are actually searching for right now. So you just choose for the partner, Happy Valentine's Day quotes. So I'm just going to choose a bunch of keywords here. So it shows you how it's going to fit in. So click save and you see it just fits it in all the spaces. All these keywords, it fits it in for you. You don't have to do anything. Then you write the description. By the way, this description is going to be in HTML. If you want to know what that is, let me know in the comment section below, and I'm going to do a separate video for that, because it involves a whole different tool for that. And to generate the HTML. This is a favorite one I like using. I'm going to show you in a different video if you're interested in it. So for the categories too, you just say maybe Valentine's Day. It's going to pop up. Maybe Valentine's Day again, and you choose the other one. You already have your category set. You choose your author name. You choose your price. So it was $6.99. We can start from $5.99. Then we'll get sales. We're gonna increase it to $6.99. So it's gonna be paperback, Amazon.com, and boom, guys! How long did I take? My book is ready to upload. Another reason why I like using this is because maybe if you want to translate this to another language, just click here, translate. It's going to translate to a language. You have to set it first here in the settings. You go to the settings, you go to translation too. If you want to translate to maybe German, French, Spanish, Italian, just click maybe German. Once you click save and you click here translate, it's going to translate to German, but I don't want to do that now because it's going to translate everything. Anyway, let me just show you. So translate is going to translate everything to German. That is translating. You can also do some trademark check. Yeah, actually, this is the German one, the German trademark, sorry, German translation right here, and this one is the English translation. So there are a bunch of things that I also like to show you, but I can't do all of that in this video. The video is already getting too long, so that's what I basically wanted to show you. You already have your interior created, you already have a cover created for you, you already have your interior. All you need to do is just upload it. So go back here, click upload, click agree, and click start uploading. It's gonna upload everything for you. So the last thing I want to talk about is flying upload. Actually, this is right here is $19.95 per month, but you can start for free over here. There's a free version, like I said before. You can upload like 10 designs, if I'm not mistaken. You can upload 10 designs for free. But after 10 designs, you need to pay $19.95 per month if you're interested. The link is in the description below, and you can also get a discount with the code Vanessa10 for a 10% discount. Um, so that's it, guys. So guys, that's basically it. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.